In this video, I want to share what I think is the number one easy way for beginners to make money online. And if you are already an experienced online marketer, but still looking for more, this can be ideal for you too. I built this business myself. It might be just what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time online marketer. I've made my living online almost since the start of the internet. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and I know you'll want to get the information too. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. And I know there are all kinds of ways to make money online today. Unfortunately, most of them are far more difficult than people first think. I've met so many people who have tried one or more ways to make money online, but have not had the success they were hoping for. Typically, they've devoted more time than they expected, yet did not meet their money goals. The most common side hustles that people tell me they've tried to make money online include things such as freelancing as a writer, graphic designer, or maybe a translator. The challenges here are that you need that particular skill, the time to do it, and the ability to market yourself. Or maybe folks have done things like online tutoring. Again, you need the skill, the time, and the marketing. Perhaps they've done online surveys, and for what it's worth, I have not met a single person who made the money they expected with online surveys. Or lastly, selling something they have made online. I'm a hobby woodworker, and I do know there are a lot of woodworkers who try to make a living selling stuff online. Well, the common denominator in all of these ways to make money online is that they take time, lots of time. Usually, it's far more time than expected. And it's because there is no time leverage. You're really just trading your time for money. And the only way you can make more money is to put in more time. Well, who really wants to do that? And that's why I really like what I am calling the number one easy way for beginners to make money online. Like I said, I built this business myself. It relies on the power of automation to leverage your time. It's something you can do in just a few hours per week, at a schedule you choose, and because it's all done online, you can do it from just about anywhere. I even do this business while I'm sailing in the summer or while I'm skiing in the winter. It is super simple. No previous experience is needed. It's ideal for beginners. Our team has people from all over the world making significant money following our simple, proven system, and most have never done anything like this before. I'm convinced anyone can do this online business. The only skills you really need to make money online with us are the ability to use email and to copy simple instructions. When you team up with us, you will be joining the fastest growing home business in the industry. We have a powerful pay system that beginners love. Our online business is very affordable. It is the lowest price business I know of. And in case you're wondering, no, it is not one of those MLM things. You do not have to purchase a bunch of products every month. I really hate that. A big part of what makes this such an easy way for beginners to make money online is that our team gives you for free everything you need to start making money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. We will give you a complete and powerful sales funnel. You will get your own landing or lead capture pages, powerful sales pages, and a professionally written email series to email out to your list on autopilot. It will be the exact same sales funnel that I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. You do not need to create anything. You can be set up and marketing within the hour. We have the best training in the home business industry. We have both live and recorded trainings throughout the week. We have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. And on top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit, And you can get paid recurring, long-term passive income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month for what you do today. And again, this is not just about making money, but time leverage too. It only takes a few hours per week at your convenience to be successful. To learn more about this easy way for beginners to make money online, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.